Alrighty folks, it's been about a month or so there since I'd done my last lemon tree update, but these two are ready to be up potted, so that's what we'll be doing today. But as you can see, they're I guess the tallest ones, and this one and this one they have established their roots, but we'll be up potting them. So I got me a thing of dirt in here, and here at the end here, after we get it up potted, we'll be putting some of that fermented plant juice in it, and we'll also be putting in some more lab. I'll put both of those videos in the description there if you haven't already seen it there. But it's good fertilizer for your plants, and that's what I'll be doing on my lemons here. Just dig you out a hole big enough for the little pod. Now that one ain't as established as the other ones was, but you can see it's gotten pretty good roots. But I'll have to dig my hole out again. And that one actually made two separate trees right there. But whenever it gets a little, actually, I'll go ahead and put this one off to the side there. That way the roots don't get too attached to each other. But I got two of them right in there. From one, actually three. So we're doing better off than I thought. But just going to bury the roots up here. Alrighty folks, as you can see, that's the healthiest one of the bunch. It had the roots most established. And this one, I just put all three of them in the same pot. But after these two get growed up a little bit more, I'll put them in their own separate pots. So we started out with 4 plants, but we ended up with 6. We're doing pretty good. But after the other two get their roots more established, I'll be up potting them. I won't bore you with that video, but after all of them get growed up some more, I'll be updating them. And we ain't gonna be putting these outside. Now, more down south climates, Florida, places like that there, you could plant them. But where we're at in Tennessee, they aren't really, they won't be doing good during the winter. Especially right now, we're getting like 40-degree temperatures at nighttime. But we'll be back here in a little bit there, and we'll put the lab in, and we'll put some of that fermented plant juice. Be right back. Alright, Daddy's mixed up some of the fermented plant juice and pour around it here.
Alrighty. Folks, I'd like to thank y'all for watching. This is Dan's video. Hope y'all have a blessed week. Lord willing, be seeing you Wednesday. Thank y'all for watching. Thank you, Dan.
Thank y'all for watching.